Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and today we wanted to do a video on money over mental health.
It's quite an interesting subject actually, and I think a lot of people have probably thought about it during quarantine. We didn't want to make this a corona specific video, but it's one of those things where it probably affects like every single person, and there's always a quote that we like to remind each other with when we're trying to strive for something that's what, is that really sad?
No, sorry. We do though, but yeah,
there's a quote that says, remember the time when you wanted what you have now.
Oh yeah, it is true. These quotes are true though.
So say like 5 years ago your wish was to move out, and then 5 years later you've moved out, but then now you want a nice car, or now you want to go on an amazing holiday, or now you want a bigger house, like you've moved to a house then you want a bigger house. I think it's always remembering that you...
That's good, that's good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh,
He's doing well, mate.
yeah, that basically it's sort of appreciating what you have, and how much money do you, as long as you can pay your bills and you know do things every so often and stuff like that, how much money do you really need?
I think I think we're kind of conditioned to do that. What's the next step? What's the next step?
Yeah.
I remember when I was doing my degree in acting, so you're not really guaranteed a whole lot of work when you finish, unless you're really lucky. And you were like left in the blue. So I remember I was doing my degree and I was like, I can't wait till this exam's done, I can't wait till that performance is done and it all goes well and I've passed and I've got a good grade. And I remember like counting down the weeks till it was done. And then as soon as it was done, I was like, got to get the first acting job, got to get an agent, got to do this. Can't wait till I've got an agent. Then I can't wait till the best acting job. I remember our teacher, our lecturer, we were going around in a circle and we were saying key things when you're working in the profession in a big group. And they were just like, be on time. And then one guy was like, just enjoy it. And then the teacher, she freaked out. She was like, how can you enjoy it? How can you... She was a bit of an odd one. She said, how can you enjoy it? Like, you know, you enjoy it when you get to where you want to be. The rest is just hard work. The rest is just pure grind. And then where you want to be. But I was thinking, I was going to interrupt, but I didn't. I was thinking, you might not get to where you want to be till you're about 40.
Or you might always want more. You might not ever be where you want to be. Not in like a negative way, but in like a... Like, there's always something more. But it's whether you want to just strive your whole life to reach that, which isn't necessarily a negative. Like, it's good to strive, but it's whether you want to enjoy it along the way and be happy and content with what you've got, without always wanting, like you say, always looking at the next thing, the next thing, the next thing. Oh, well, I'll be happy when I can afford a nicer car. Oh, well, I'll be happy when we can afford this holiday. Oh, well, I'll be happy when I can upgrade my flights. You know, like... And you never enjoy the current state.
Because I was thinking, what is the point of doing this job if we're not enjoying it? It's one of the hardest things to get into. We're going to get rejected. I'm going to a tandem now. We're going to get rejected. You have to enjoy it. You have to enjoy the process, because the process, you don't have a lot of money. You're doing it because you enjoy it.
So I think you can just, going back to like the money and mental health thing.
No, I'm joking.
Keep going. No, go. You can just relate that to life.
Oh yeah.
I can't remember what you were saying now.
Although I do think, if you do want that life, if you do want money and you want the nice cars and you want the nice houses, go for it. And you want to put in that grind. And that's what, even if you don't like the job.
But then I feel like those who really are like that do enjoy the journey, because they enjoy the success and they enjoy the middle road. Whereas there are a lot of us who, or a lot of people who strive but aren't really enjoying it. They're doing it because they feel like that's what they have to do. And just going back to like over quarantine, without going into it too much, like our personal finances were cut quite a lot because we weren't entitled to certain funding, but we actually have enjoyed just spending time together. And whilst I think there wasn't as much to pay out for, because we weren't paying for petrol, we weren't going out in the car, we weren't paying for concerts and dinners out and stuff, but I think there's a lot to be said for just sort of enjoying the present time. But the thing is, also, the things that are really enjoyable do cost money, so you do need to, you know, earn a certain amount to enjoy certain things in life.
Yeah,
like holidays and stuff.
Money does give you a certain amount of freedom to just be like, okay, let's not work today, let's take a couple of weeks off and go here. But it just depends really, doesn't it?
Yeah. And I just think it's made a lot of people realise, do I really need to be pushing myself so much?
Yeah.
Because I'm self-employed, I can pick when I work. When I'm not doing mum stuff, I do something else. And I can pick when I work. And I think to myself, do I really need to be doing like 15-hour days to earn an extra bit of money? Like, surely that time is more useful spending it with friends and family or relaxing or self-care or something like that. So
it's hard though, because if you're doing something like a nurse and
I was just thinking that is
hard. That's you have to do them long hours, don't you? Mum's asleep. Mum's going to sleep in the next room. Yeah, you have to do them hours, and some people don't have a choice. They have to make ends meet. And if a single mum has kids and she has to work 3 jobs, you don't have that choice. So it's so hard because everyone's in such... And some people do have that luxury of just being like, do you know what, I'm going to stop working so much, cut down, but it will be okay. It's so hard, isn't it?
I think it's just looking at your own individual situation and if there's something that can be done and that's what you feel. I think it's not feeling bad I think the main thing is, don't feel bad if you're not working 24/7 and wanting to always strive for something better. If you're happy with where you're at and that's where you're content, not to feel bad, because I think there's a lot of people out there who are like, oh, you don't want, like, oh, you've got days off, oh, you only work 4 days a week, oh, you work part-time and that's it, and you just, if that's what you're happy doing and that works for you, then I think don't feel bad.
Yeah. No, I agree.
Mental health is important, and it's important to take time to enjoy life.
Just sometimes just do nothing.
Yeah.
I feel bad when I watch a film. I would never watch a film by myself. I would always have to watch it with someone.
The odd time I've done it.
Oh, that's cute.
I like it. I watch Bridesmaids.
Yeah, that's a film. Good film. Yeah. Let us know your thoughts. I had something else to say, but it's gone. Don't think it will come back.
Thanks, guys.
Bye.
Bye.